Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to use some aloe vera. Here I have a lovely size aloe vera and I'm going to show you how you can use this to cleanse your body with it, and also coconut. I have some which I remove the water from, or you can get the jelly coconut. Doesn't taste much different anyway, so stay tuned. So coconut help you to detoxify the body and hydrate you, and also it's good for your skin, and it's packed with antioxidants and full of vitamin C, and it's also good for heart health. So aloe vera is good for cleansing the body, also keep you hydrated, and it's a very good healing plant. Reduce dental plaque, also it's good for conquer sore, lower your blood sugar, and this help you to prevent wrinkleness and aging. So this you can either drink it or rub it on your skin. It's good if you have open wounds. You can just cut a piece of this and just put over it. If this is the first time you're watching the channel, thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe and leave positive comment. So with this, I'm just going to cut a bit of it. I'm going to cut about this. This is nice and fresh, very bitter. You can get this cheap in the market, but it's good for you. Don't worry about the price. Health benefit is more important. So here I'm just gonna take the skin off. You can just hold it. Cut the skin off. The rest that left, just put it in some water and drink that every morning. Probably about half a cup every morning. And you'll notice the difference. This now, just chop it up. Then I'm going to put that in the blender. Pour that in the blender. And you're going to use about 400 ml of coconut water. This is the skin here. So take that. Put some water over it. Make sure you fill it up. And just leave it on the side. This is what it looks like. Get your glass. Get ready to pour them out.